Welcome back, everyone. Today we're tackling a common issue that some Chrysler Pacifica hybrid owners might face, a vehicle that simply won't start. If you found yourself in this situation, don't worry. You're not alone. After scanning the vehicle, we often discover multiple codes indicating that the battery voltage is below the threshold. This can be frustrating, but it's a crucial step in diagnosing the problem. Upon further inspection and performing a battery test, we typically find that a bad cell in the 12-volt battery is the culprit behind this no-start condition. So, what's the solution? We recommend replacing the battery to get your Pacifica hybrid back on the road. Remember, a healthy battery is essential for the overall performance of your vehicle. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing for more tips and insights. Drive safe and see you next time.